How to link to another page on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about this platform called Wix. Now the first thing you're going to do is of course select the section that you would like to link to another page. As you can see here, for example, we have our header over here. I'm going to turn this and link this into another page. By doing this, you're going to click the specific section, then you're going to click on the link button. Over here, you would have these options over here. You're simply going to select the page, and then over here, you can select which page you would like to be redirected. For example, we're going to go with shop. And you could also choose how it would be opened from new window to current window and click on done. Now, when someone clicks on your heading over here, they would be redirected to the shop page of your website. You could also do this for this section over here. You could do link, then choose page over here, choose which page, for example maybe men's, just like that, and click on done. You can also do this for buttons. You can click on the specific button that you would like to link, and you're going to click on link over here. Do the same thing, you're going to choose which page over here. For example, you're going to go to product page over here, and just like that, you're simply going to click on done. And that's it guys, that's how you can link other pages to your website. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.